CounselMore offers you data from the common data set as collected and produced by Peterson. Each cell is date stamped for freshness. The college list builder happens in 3 phases. First, the counselor's list, then schools are promoted to the students list, and then schools are agreed upon, collaborated, and promoted to the application tracker. Each application requirement is tracked per school separately. Each of those requirements links back to the Assignments tab. First, let's talk about the counselor's list. To add schools to the counselor's list, the counselor could start with search, or the counselor could add schools just by name. Counselors can also choose to add schools to the database. That is why we have the largest selection of international schools. Or the counselor may choose to go to My Database, where they can save schools by categories, save filters, save college lists, build their own esoteric college knowledge database with the backdrop of the traditional admissions data search options that are unusual. These have been created by and for college counselors, so you'll notice unique search filters, like the ability to choose a region but to omit states from that region, or to choose a locale if you are looking for specific fraternities or sororities, or wanting to know if the Greek life is above or below 25%, or perhaps you're looking for club sports, or the counselor may use My Database, summer programs, or gap year, and that is how you will add the school to the counselor's list. Once the school is on the counselor's list, you have access to over 300 points of data, including candidate shaping tools that will compare the student to the school's application process. Once schools have been determined to be promoted to the students list, the grad cap corresponds to the grad cap. Moving schools to the students list, the student and the parent can now collaborate from both the parent portal and the student portal. These information columns can all be different. You have over 300 information columns to choose from. Additionally, you also have your own information columns that you have collected and decided to keep in your My Database. Essays and other prompts, as well as all application requirements, are collected for you. You'll notice that there are status columns as well. These are fully functioning columns that then allow you to plan the strategy for the student based on particular application type or attributes, and then these are exported to the Assignments tab and then can be emailed directly to the student in a task list. Once it has been determined that the school will be applied to, the student will promote that to the app tracker. Once the school is on the app tracker, essays and other prompts can be exported directly to the student's Google Drive. Each application requirement has a corresponding strategy cell, and of course, the outcome of every application can be tracked, leading to your own personal analytics and admissions evaluation, which then can offer you some guidance on how to change your application strategy in the future. Free trials are 14 days. Account setup is included, onboarding, as well as a robust professional community to guide your educational consulting practice.